Ang sunod. Anong second biggest number?
Yung second biggest number. Ito?
Anong number yan? 27. Very good.
Can I put it here?
20.
No, it's 3. Tapos 7.
What is the third biggest number?
Number?
What is the third biggest number?
This one?
Anong number yan?
30.
20.
23.
Saan dapat ilalagay ang 23?
This one. Tapos
ano sunod? Anong pinakadulo? Ano yung last number?
this one.
Anong number yan?
23.
12.
12. Tapos 2.
Sunod naman. Ito. Ano yung pinakamataas na number? Ano muna dyan? Ano yung pinakamataas na number dyan?
This one?
Hindi.
This one?
What number is that? 60?
16.
60?
17.
70.
70.
No. 67.
70.
67.
17.
67 lang.
57.
This one. Ano yan?
6.
Throw again.
Yeah. That one?
Ano sunod na biggest number?
This?
60?
62.
Very good. Ano third? 40?
54.
40?
42.
Saan yung 42 dyan?
This one. Something down.
47 yan.
Opo.
Maliin mo. Barin mo. Ulitin mo.
Yay. Something down. Gusto ko na sila. Basta ko.
Ano yung last number? 30?
34.
Asan yung 34 dyan?
This one.
Saan?
This one.
Sige. Sige na.
This one?
Asan ka na? Sa second pa lang tayo.
Sorry. This one?
Third. Asan yung biggest number?
Tingin mo sa yan ko.
Ano biggest number?
Tingin mo sa yan.
Ano biggest number? Huwag mo na pansinin yan. Ano yung biggest number?
This one?
Ano number to? 70?
Dito.
70?
73.
Sige. Kasi 73 dyan.
Dito.
Saan?
Dito.
Sige. Ano yung second number?
This one.
Yes, there's a flower. But there's a pencil sign.
No flowers?
No.
There's a
In English,
there's
no picking the flowers.
because it's so
And then you have to, tamang tawiran, bawal magtapon ng basura, bawal pumitas ng mga bulaklak. Ano mas tamang sagot? The circle, the triangle, or the rectangular? Ano, saan dyan?
Ito!
Ano yan?
Triangle.
Na. Again, tamang tawiran, bawal magtapon ng basura, bawal pumitas ng mga bulaklak.
Bulaklak.
Anong Tagalog sa flower?
It's flower.
Anong Tagalog ng flower?
Bulaklak.
O anong dapat tamang sagot dyan? Is it the circle, triangle, or the rectangular?
This one.
Ano yan?
Rectangular.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Sige. How do you draw a rectangle?
Like this.
Very good. Oh, there's
Your
a human head
Talking like this.
but no, it's a snow. No, it's a snow. So, in Tagalog, is it the huwag maingay,
Muna ingay sa class.
huwag malikot,
Muna likod.
huwag matulog? So, ano dapat sagot siya? Circle, triangle, or rectangle?
Rectangle.
Huwag maingay. That's the circle.
Circle.
And the triangle, huwag malikot. And the rectangle is huwag matulog. Ano dapat sagot? Circle, triangle, or rectangular?
Circle.
Ano yan?
Circle.
Ano sabi?
Circle.
Huwag,
Wow. Maingay.
Very good. Sige, draw mo yung ano.
Circle.
Dito mo, pantay mo dito.
Utsi.
There's a man who's walking streets. But there's no cancel sign. There's no cancel sign. So what should we do? Bawal tumawid, tamang tawiran, tamang sakayan.
Sakayan.
Ano sagot? Ano sagot? Circle, triangle, or the rectangle? I'm gonna translate into English. Okay?
Okay.
It says the circle, no crossing,
No crossing in the street.
and then the triangle are right. Ano ba tawag din?
Yes.
Right crossing. You must cross this way, like that. And then the right where you go, you sakay to car. I don't know.
Huh?
Oh, sige na, upo. Anong dito? Anong tamang sagot? Bawal tumawid, tamang tawiran, tamang sakayan. But the man is crossing the street. And there's no cancellation sign. So, ano dapat sagot dyan? Bawal tumawid, tamang tawiran, tamang sakayan. Anong sagot? Circle, triangle, or rectangle?
Rectangle.
Bakit? Paano mo nasabi?
Hindi sabi ko.
Ano sagot mo dyan?
Circle.
Oh, look. It says bawal.
Bawal.
When you say it's bawal, you have to look. Look at this. Look at the flower. There's a line over here, right?
Yes.
That's a cancellation sign. Which you must not do. Okay?
Okay.
But this sign has no cancel sign. So is it, can you do it or you cannot do it?
Do it.
Do it. So, if we're going to remove the bawal tumawid, the circle, There's only two left. You have two answer left. So, is it the tamang tawiran? That's the triangle. The rectangle is tamang sakayan. So, ano ba dapat dyan?
Ito.
Ano yan? No. Ano yan? Anong shape yan? Anong shape yan?
Circle. No, triangle.
Ano yung triangle? Tamang tawi.
Tamang paling ng wak.
Tamang tawi.
Tawi.
Ran.
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 Gawin mo. A, iiwas ka sa kanya. B, babatiin mo siya ng buong galang. A or B? Listen to me, ha? Listen to me. Nakasalubong mo ang iyong guro sa umaga. Ano ang gagawin mo? Iiwas ka sa kanya. B, babatiin mo siya ng buong galang. Is it the A or B?
A.
Bakit? Iiwasin mo si mom? When you say, Mom, your teacher said, good morning, Janina, and then you just walk away and you ignore it. That's how you do it? That's how you treat teachers in school? That's how you do it?
Only B.
Anong B?
B lang.
How do you greet your teachers? How do you greet your teachers?
Teachers?
How do you greet them?
Teachers, hi, teacher.
Yes, good morning, teacher. Good afternoon, teacher. Sige na.
B.
Nakita mo sa paaralan mo ang Ano? Nakita mo sa paaralan mo ang karatulang bawal pumitas ng bulaklak. Ano ang gagawin mo? A, hindi ko pipitas ng bulaklak. Hindi ka pipitas ng bulaklak. B, pipitas ka ng bulaklak. It says that you saw a sign of no picking the flowers. And then, what will you do? A,
B.
You're not going to pick it up, or B, you're gonna pick it up. And the sign says not.
A.
Oh.
Okay? The pencil E.